Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to my channel. This is like a last minute. Woo, don't mind me, y'all. I look kind of raggedy right now because it's like I'm decorating my room. I'm in Burlington, you know. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, tell a friend, you know, click notification bell, like, comment. If you been here already, just make sure you tell a friend, subscribe to my channel. But yeah, this is gonna be a quick vlog, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all around. Not around. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm trying to get for my room. I got a new bedroom set, so I'm trying to get like different things, like covers, pillows, different frames. So let me show y'all. Hold on. So I'm trying to see which one to get. Should I get this one? Makeup is my art, which is cute. I might get this cute little, pink light bulbs or whatnot. Or should I get Money Never Sleeps? I found these cute shoes. Right now I'm in Burlington right now with my dad. This is my covers. I bought some bras. But yeah, y'all, they got a lot of cute stuff here. So I don't know. I see it. Let me show y'all. This one, I almost got that one. Work and be nice to people. You are smart and brave. Right now. Focus on what? And fabulous. I almost got this. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. It's real cute. I like different frames. Go to the men's section where my daddy's at. Uh-oh. It's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. Yeah, I can't wait to show y'all my new bedroom set. It's so huge. It's so big. I'm trying to decorate, everything right now. This is my only day off. I work the rest of the week. It's a lot of stuff, y'all. Some of this stuff not for me. This some stuff for my dad and some stuff for my, for my room. I'm at the men's section. But I can't wait for y'all to see it, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see my room. My new, background when I'm doing my recordings, when I do my try-on hauls, y'all gonna see all the new little lights and stuff. Like, ooh, with my makeup thing set up. Y'all gonna love it, y'all. Y'all gonna love it. So stay tuned. Yeah, you can put it look real nice. You match your shoes, your jeans, everything. Yeah, I'll try to find some shoes too, but they small. Marshalls, they should have some, yeah. Or you could check. You can check Adidas or Ross. You wear 9. 9 or 10. Oh. You want it like this, like in a thong? Or you want it over like pour mettre like that? Probably pure pour faire mal. Shirt for the old boy. Now we in Marshalls. All right, y'all. So about this, I'm at the crib. I'm about to fix it all up. This is the covers. This is my new set. I moved the fridge this way. My whole set right here, the TV. Move the mirror right here, y'all. Why it looks so big? Oh my goodness. I ain't really finished. So this is before. I'll show y'all before. This is my whole bedroom set. This is my little, pillows and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all before, okay? So I move everything there. So stay tuned for the aftermath when I got everything all set up. You feel me? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget. So y'all stay tuned. Let me fix the room and, catch y'all on the flip side. set. I'm finally gonna take a shower and relax on my bed, y'all. Can't wait to lay down. And this is the one of these firm mattresses that's really good for back pain, because I got lower back pain. Y'all gonna be sleeping good at night. So yeah, if you guys love this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumb up. Comment down below, like, subscribe. Also click on notification bell. So I see you guys in my next video. Bye, deuces.